To find all Siri settings on iPhone 16e, first of all, we need to go to Settings, and then in the Settings, go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Here you will find some basic Siri settings. However, some options are not enabled if you didn't use Siri yet. So, for example, we can press and hold the side button in order to turn on Siri, or we can go to Talk to Siri in Apple Intelligence in Siri settings. In order to activate, press side button for Siri and then press enable Siri, and it does the same thing. So now if I press and hold the side button, you will see that Siri is activated. And once Siri has been activated, once you can use it for the side by pressing and holding the side button, as you can see now, the list of settings is a little bit bigger. So you have more customization options, but besides that, you can also go to accessibility settings. And if you scroll down, you will find Siri over here as well, with even more options. And these Siri settings are not visible if you didn't activate Siri. So keep that in mind. If you don't see it, you need to make sure that Siri is actually activated on your iPhone 16e. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!